हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक माय यूट्यूब चैनल एलिवन कैन डिज़ाइन में। फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं आपको बताऊंगा 5 मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट कमांड्स के बारे में, 5 मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट कमांड्स इन सॉलिडवर्क। सो
Friends, now talk about SolidWorks 5 most important commands. Friends, our first command is Extrude Boss command. Then second one is Revolve command. Fourth one is Swift Boss command. And third one is Swift command. Fourth is Loft command. And fifth command is Extrude Cut command. Friends, these commands are the most important commands of SolidWorks. With the help of these commands, you can make all parts. Now I will tell you one by one the use of commands and it works. For what purpose I can use it. So friends, please watch this video full. Friends, let me tell you what is the use of these commands. Now first command is extrude, so please watch. This is first command, extrude command. Friend, firstly select any one plane, then sketch on this plane. I, I select a center rectangle and draw this. Okay, keep the dimension 100 and 100. Okay, these are the sketch and it is a fully defined sketch. Now I will tell you about first extrude command. This is the extrude command. Okay friends, you can use drag this for give the length of this part, and you can type here the length of these parts. I 150. Okay, these are the some. Friends, with the help of this you can change the value of the extrude. You can offset this, takes the offset from the sketch. Friends, this side on wind direction, but you can if you can change mid, then you the uh, the part take the distance between both phase, both direction with mid plane. Friends, now I will show you Revolved Boss command. So firstly select the any plane, then sketch of this plane, draw a center line, then select the spline and draw. You can make any other part. Okay friends, now click on feature and Revolve Boss. The sketch is currently open. A non-thing revolve feature required a close sketch. Would you like the sketch? If you want to close this sketch, friend, then you can yes. Okay, or this is this take automatically thin feature. Okay, if you can change the thickness 1. Okay, and okay, so you can make a best design with the help of revolve. This is the revolve feature. Friends, now I will tell you next feature, which is shape. Firstly, select a plane and draw a sketch. Okay, I can draw a sketch. This is a circle. You can give the dimension 150. Okay, now next you can sketch again top plane, and then okay, you can draw any type of sketch. You can draw this type of sketch. Fine. Okay friends, then okay, select the feature, shape feature, select the path and profile. This is the profile selection, then select this, and this is the path selection, then select this. It is the overview. You can change the options. Some options are there, you can change. They are a very interesting. Here is a very interesting option. It is twist. You can twist this, then you can see that it is twisting. Then okay, you can make this type of item from shape. This is the shape option. If you want to learn about more than shape, fully shape, then continue watching my videos. In the next video I will show you fully. I will tell you about the full of shape feature. Friends, now I will show you loft feature. Firstly select a plane, draw a circle 50 dia. Okay, then select reference geometry and plane. Take a plane with the reference of front plane. The distance is 30 meter. Click on this and sketch. Select 30 and 20. Okay, then use loft feature. Click on this and this is a loft feature. It is a wide topic, but I will uh, tell you about only simple way, simple features. Okay, if you want to learn about full loft feature, then keep watching, continue my videos. I I will make full tutorials of loft features and swift feature, revolve feature, extrude feature. But now I will show you only this simple loft. Okay, then okay, hide this. Is loft feature. Okay, now last and most important feature is extrude cut. So please so click on this and okay, you can select this 20, click on feature and extrude cut. You can you give the distance from arrow key on and from here 30. Okay, this is the extrude cut hole. So
Friends, if you like my videos, please like and subscribe my channel.